Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to install TikTok on iPhone. So step one, open the App Store on iPhone, which is this blue icon. And this is the home page of the App Store. Click on this or tap on this search field and write TikTok. Click on TikTok first on the top of the list. And this is the official TikTok app. Click on this download icon next to it. And once the download is completed, click on open. And this is your TikTok app. And this is how to install TikTok on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. And of course, a new TikTok app icon will be added to your home page here, as you see. See you in the next video.